Greetings from LoyalTV, and welcome to the Forest Park neighborhood of Oklahoma City, where you'll find a beautiful wedding chapel and bed and breakfast nestled into 14 acres of gently rolling, tree-covered hills. But the property wasn't always a weekend getaway or venue to say, "I do." Its colorful history began decades ago when it was the country house of an oil man and former Oklahoma Governor Robert S. Kerr. Then in the early 1970s, the Monastery at Forest Lake became more egg-citing when a group of 10 unorthodox, orthodox monks purchased the property. The monks of the Holy Protection Orthodox Monastery began each day at 3 in the morning with 4 hours of silent prayer. Then for the next 2 hours, they performed the liturgy, followed up by the day's work at the monastery. The first of their unique businesses would turn out to be a fathering venture. In fact, in 1981, the monks engaged in an egg hatching program with the Oklahoma City Zoo. In only 3 years, the surrogate fathers achieved an extremely high live hatch and growth rate. So the monks began hatching and raising their own birds for sale to zoos, animal farms, even for export, and developed one of the most effective ostrich husbandry programs in the world. But the monks' entrepreneurial spirit didn't stop there. Most mornings, a heavenly scent would fill the air in Forest Park when the monks fired up the ovens to turn out 1,000 loaves of bread. Brother John's bread proved so popular, their bread business grew 900% in the first year alone.
Fire call! Fire call! Fire call! Fire call!
The monks also managed Forest Park's fire trucks and were certified medical first responders. As trained CPR and EMS personnel, they performed every task except transporting patients to the hospital. And if all these responsibilities weren't enough, the monks took part in woodworking, crafting religious icons, plus growing and canning all of their food on the self-supporting property. They were truly birds of a feather who thrived together. Join us next time as we continue to hatch the best Oklahoma stories you've never heard, right here on LoyalTV.